Hello learners. Welcome to Trade Tactics. In today's video, I'll share a straightforward and effective breakout trading strategy that can help you generate decent profits. So, what is a breakout? A breakout occurs when the price of a stock breaks through its potential support or resistance levels. This breakout can happen in an upward direction or a downward direction. Let's look at an example. Here you can see that the market is moving within a range. So we'll draw a resistance level above the price and a support level below the price. You'll notice that when the price breaks these key levels, it starts a new trend and the market presents a high probability trade opportunity. Now the question is, how do we find these types of trade setups that offer potential breakout trading opportunities? The simple method is to look for these types of patterns. We have patterns like wedge, triangle, rectangle, pennant, and flag. A common mistake that beginners make is trying to find the exact same pattern as in a diagram. For instance, if a beginner is looking for a triangle pattern, they wait for an exact shape to form. But in real life, candles don't move that way. Instead of looking for an exact pattern, focus on identifying the price's key levels. For example, if you see the stock's price moving while making lower highs, you can draw a trend line above the price. Since this level sees the price getting rejected multiple times and moving downwards, it is a key price level. Similarly, if you look at the lower end of the chart, you'll see the price getting rejected multiple times and moving upwards, so we'll draw a support level there. If you look carefully, you'll find a triangle pattern here. Similarly, you can find other patterns. If you identify a support and resistance level, it forms a rectangle pattern. If you find two opposite trend lines, it's a pennant pattern. If you find two trend lines moving in the same direction, it's a flag pattern. If you can identify these key levels, you don't need to remember their names, whether it's a flag or a rectangle pattern, because they all work on the same theory. Breakout. If the breakout is upward, you buy, and if it's downward, you sell. Now that we've identified the pattern, we need to predict if the breakout will be upward or downward. One common mistake beginners make is entering a trade immediately whenever a candle breaks these key levels without any confirmation. For example, here we have a support level and a resistance level, forming a rectangle pattern. Now, you'll see that this candle has broken the resistance level. At this point, a beginner thinks the breakout happened upward, meaning the market will go up and they take a buy position immediately. But this is a wrong way to trade breakout patterns. Just because the price broke a key level doesn't mean you should enter a trade right away. These can also be false signals. So, how do we avoid false breakouts? The simple way is to look for momentum candles. A momentum candle can be a big candle or multiple medium-sized candles. In this chart, you can see the stock price moving while making lower highs, so we drew a trend line above the price. And below, you'll see that at this level, the stock price forms support multiple times and moves up. So we drew a support level here. Now we have a triangle pattern, and now we wait for a momentum candle to break these key levels. At this point, you'll see a big red candle has broken the support level with significant movement. Now there's a possibility that the stock price may go down. For confirmation, check if any candle breaks the low of this red candle. If so, you can sell here. Let's look at another example. Here you'll see we have a support level and a resistance level, meaning it's a rectangle pattern. Next, you'll see the stock price has broken the support level with significant movement. Now, check if any candle breaks the low of this red candle. If it does, you can sell here. Similarly, by identifying key levels, you can trade other patterns as well. One important thing to remember: when drawing trend lines or support and resistance levels, some candles may break these levels slightly. These levels act as a channel or zone for support and resistance, so they might vary a bit up or down. I hope you found this video informative. If you did, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in a new video soon.